Guys, ito nagluto ako ng daing na isda at saka dilis. Una, nilagay ko yan, hiniwa-hiwa ko na maliliit using gunting. And then, first layer, I put this dried fish at saka dilis. Second layer, I put some chopped onion. Malaking chopped onion, I spread it. Tapos third, I put oil in it. Maybe siguro mga 6 tablespoons of olive oil or any oil, pwede. And then I just put them in the microwave. For 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and another 3 minutes. And that's it. It's up to you if you want it crispy. I did it like 3 times, you see. 3 to 4 minutes. 3 times. So it looks crispy now using the microwave. Dito ko siya nilagay sa microwave. Yeah, una 3.5 minutes or 3 minutes, and then put it again 3 minutes, and then the third time 3 minutes again. So that's how I cook my this one dried fish. Ito nyo, sarap-sarap. So nung nilagyan ko siya, when I put sliced onion, ang bango, masarap yung amoy. Tsaka yung oil, pwede mo na rin ihalo sa kanin. Ang sarap. Tapos, lalagyan mo siya ng kamatis. Ito. Hihiwain ko yung kamatis ko. So, at kakain na ako. So, gagawa ako ng rice, dried fish, tomato, salad. Parang ganun. Or, dried fish in a microwave with rice and tomato. Yun. Yung tomato, pwede nyo lagyan ng bagoong or hindi. It's up to you. So, I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang aking video about microwaving dried fish. This dried fish is a bit salty. So, I just cut them into pieces. Right? Pinutol ko siya ng gunting na maliliit para maluto siya, maigi. And then, I added some anchovies, yung dried dilis. So, mukhang masarap naman. At saka mabango. You can smell it while you're doing microwave. So, it's really nice and crunchy and nice. Not too salty. If it's salty, pwede nyong balawan konti ng tubig at tapos lagyan nyo ng oil. Put some olive oil or cooking oil around like 6 to 8 tablespoons. Right? Tapos lagyan nyo na ng sliced onion. So, I hope nagustuhan nyo ang aking video about dried fish in the microwave with oil and onion. So, please like my video and thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.